Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little small DIY project. I picked up this little black bird cage from the 99, and I have some white paint, and I'm going to go ahead and try to spray paint it and figure I can maybe use this for other purposes instead of for Halloween. So we're going to go see how this turns out. I'm going to be using this spray can here, and we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully there's enough. It's a bit windy out here. I'm just hoping we have enough tape. Not tape, I mean paint. I think it's turning out pretty good. It's a bit windy. Let me see. I don't plan on using that hook up here, but I'm thinking it turned out pretty good. It's just this. I'm gonna pull this up. Make sure I grab everything. And see, I'll put it up here to dry. Alright, so we are going to let that dry and see what it turns out like. Alright guys, so this is the finished project of the little bird cage. This was black, bought it at the 99, paid only 99 cents. I think it turned out perfect. This will be good. I think I can use it for multiple holidays. Like for Halloween, I can add pumpkins. Same thing for fall. Christmas, I could add ornaments. Maybe Easter, a bunch of Easter eggs. Just a bunch of different things that I could do with this. So I'm super pleased on how this turned out. So if you guys have a 99 and you guys see these, like I mentioned before, you can use this for multiple you can use it in multiple ways, ideas, and you can even add a bow. I did remove the little hook that was on the top because I'm not using that. And these little clips here is where you open it up to where you can insert things. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.